What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. Let's talk about the stock market, specifically AMC. Guys, you guys need to pay attention to this. Pay attention and just hear me out for a second. There's some very odd and very blatant manipulation. Once again, today probably proved one of the clearest days that there is massive pressure on AMC at right around $60. We had an amazing rally at market open with the volume and attention being there from 57 to 61, followed by a consolidation zone in time. Now, when you're trading and you're watching this tick by tick, candle by candle, it's more apparent when it's live. So I know right now market's closed, the candles have played out, they've closed. It's a little bit more apparent when it's live, but when you have the TNS, the times in sales, you have the level 2, the bid of the ask in front of you, and you're watching this tick by tick, there is immense pressure on these candles, and that is apparent on these wicks you see here. Yes, we had a pretty decent consolidation. Right around 9 a.m. here Pacific, we had a pretty decent move up to 60. And again, what happened? It got ripped right back down. This isn't normal by any means. I'm a heavy day trader, I guess you can say. And you rarely see stuff like this. You don't see momentum like this, especially around this time of the day. This time of the day is dead zone. Usually this is lunchtime. You don't see this type of momentum midday. And it doesn't really shock me that it's happening in a stock like AMC. We have GameStop, BlackBerry, all these other quote-unquote meme stocks that this naked short is apparent. The synthetics, the fake shares, in which, by the way, NACC 002 is getting pushed out to tomorrow. Those automated margin calls, I know there's a lot of hype and speculation about that, but you guys know how I feel about that. I'm not going to get my hopes up. If it happens, it happens. Whatever it may be, let's take it candle by candle, day by day. What do we have here in front of us? After hours, I don't even care what this does after hours too much, guys. We've seen AMC tank after hours, and then immediately it recovers the next day. After hours is very, very lightly traded, so take everything after hours with a grain of salt. Still at 58, right under 60, still very much in the game. Uptrend is still there, guys. The price I get worried, or where I'll start feeling a little comfortable and think, hey, we need to find some support. If we come down to like $40, I guess you can say. If we start double or triple bottoming here at $40, then we're at a different level, and we have to change the strategy. So if it comes down to 40, 50, test support there. Let's see where this can hold. But I think we're far from that. There's obviously some massive demand at 50 by whales, institutions. I don't know. As for short covering, I found yesterday's rally pretty interesting. So I pulled up Ortex. There's a plus 42% on the SI, which, by the way, this is T+2, so it's delayed 2 days. So this goes back to Monday's trading day, which kind of makes sense if this is coming down on Monday. So tomorrow's data for the SI would be honored for Tuesday. So we're going to see if there's actually some shorts covering. If the SI comes in negative tomorrow, then I guess my theory or my little idea would be proved true. Unless there was some institutions or some whales hopping in on AMC on Tuesday. I really don't know why. Obviously, I think there's some demand at 50. So that's why I don't think we'll see 40 anytime soon. The demand is there. The attention, guys, is still there. Take this day by day. On the daily, we're still above this blue line, which is probably my favorite indicator, which is the 13 EMA, exponential moving average. It's still in the game, although I do have a feeling it's going to make a move in the next coming days. Either we're going to break past 65 or we're going to recede down to like 50 and test support there and continue to trade sideways, which again is not a bad thing. The longer this trades sideways, the stronger the rip it can have upward, guys. You don't want necessarily a stock to just keep on going up parabolically, because that's followed by a nasty drop, just like Torchlight had today. Torchlight is down 30% today. This is what you do not want. You don't want this. You want support at levels, which support is never, ever, ever bad. This is exactly what AMC is doing, holding support. That's why AMC and GameStop are holding there. Other stocks like Torchlight, BlackBerry, they don't make it out. They don't cross the chasm, I guess you can say. Very good book, by the way. So that's pretty much it. Quick little update. Kind of interesting that I saw this midday or today that the price action was very, very odd. Very, very weird day. But at the end of the day, AMC is green, baby. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Take it play by play. Hopefully you guys have an amazing rest of your evening, night, morning, wherever you find yourself. And I will see you guys tomorrow for another live stream. Peace out.